Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue on your drive. As you can see, yellow explanation mark on it. So let's start. So this issue occurs due to if you have paused the BitLocker key on your system or if it is disabled. So how you can fix it? Just right click it and click on. Even we can open the control panel. Now you will see here BitLocker drive encryption. As you can see, I'm getting the options to turn on it. So it means that it is already turned off on my system, but it is showing as turned off. So open CMD and run this command first of all. This is the command to check the status of BitLocker, and you will see here BitLocker unlocked. If you see locked, then you can hit the command here. You can change the drive just like this. And you will see drive is now in a progress, and you can change D colon, and now see if you are able to fix it or not. If it is still not showing up here, then you can turn on it once, and it is still in a decryption mode, then you can wait here for some time, and once it is done you can see progress. So after that, restart your Windows. Also, this issue occurs on your system if you have recently made the secure boot turn off. So when I open the system MS here, I just turn off the secure boot here, and thereafter I'm facing this issue. So also you can turn it on, and then you can turn on these BitLocker encryption and then turn it off. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.